Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if you notice your microphone is not working on your Chromebook. So beyond the fact that your mic might actually be broken, which is something that is not covered in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you some common troubleshooting steps you can try if it's just a software issue. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings, best result, you come back with settings, open that up. Select device on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath device, select audio. So going down underneath input versus microphone, click the drop down, make sure the correct microphone is selected and it's being detected on your computer. You may want to try plugging into a different USB port or a different microphone jack on your device. And you also want to make sure the volume is turned up here as well so that it is being properly recorded. And if the allow apps to automatically adjust mic volume is turned on, you may want to consider turning that off and just troubleshooting it on an app-to-app basis and see if that was causing the issue. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.